In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this issue of being charged twice on Netflix. So if you realize that you have been charged twice on Netflix, then follow these steps to solve your problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so we can get this solution through Netflix Help Center. So I'm signed out of my Netflix account. Then I'll scroll down up to the end of the page here, and you can see we have Netflix Help Center. You can also access Help Center through your Netflix account if you are signed in. So if you go to Help Center, scroll down, and you'll see we have various topics that you can explore. Head over to the billing issue problem and then click on it, and you should see this last option, charged twice by Netflix. Now if we open this, you'll see the reasons why you are charged twice and how you can solve this problem. And here you are told there are a couple of different reasons why you may see more than one charge for Netflix on your bill. So what are these reasons? One of them is that you recently added a payment method to your account. So if you click on this, we are told if you recently added a payment method and see more than one charge on the same day, one of the charges is likely an authorization hold. And we're told authorization holds are used to check that a payment method is good. And under this, we're told Netflix never collects the authorization amount. However, it will be removed automatically, usually in 8 days or less. So here you're just told to wait and check with your bank to confirm when the fund will be released back to your available balance. So that is one of the solutions for this problem. Now, the next issue might be that you recently changed your plan or purchased an extra slot. So if you did any of this, you're told if you recently changed to a higher priced plan, the plan change takes effect immediately, so you can enjoy all of the added features. However, your billing date may change based on the remaining balance of your last payment, or you may be charged a prorated amount and see multiple charges in the same month. So this might be the reason. However, if none of these reasons above apply to your case, then you'll need to contact Netflix by clicking on this contact us here. So under the Netflix contact, you need to go ahead and describe your issue and then forward it. So that's how you can solve this problem of multiple billing on your Netflix account. If you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.